Hi everyone, Ainsworth Edmond here, your friend from the beautiful island of Jamaica, right? So in tonight's video, I'll be sharing with you PGI, the back office, how to use it and how to maneuver this wonderful system, right? So we are here on the dashboard and you will see a few different buttons here and a few different pictures. I'll be going through them and showing you how to use each and every one of these tabs. Now, so let's get to the first. As you see here, you can actually change your avatar by uploading a picture, right? I haven't done that as yet. So your name is here, your date of registration. So I started this company on the July the 18th. So here you'll find your shareable links. When you're referring someone to the platform, this is where you will click on any of these three and then you copy the links and send them. So it will take you to another page, right? And this is something that is very important, that you will ensure that a person, when they are signing up, they say your sponsor. So here you see the sponsor is sponsored by Ainsworth Edmond. So your name should be here when you're signing up someone. So they ensure it. And this will be the left. The same will be for the right. If you click on the right, the same will be the pay or the weaker leg. I will explain more about that further on in the video. So here on the dashboard, you will see your direct commissions. As you see, I have $90. And here on the graph, it shows you how much percentage of your total amount is from direct commission, how much is from trading. As you see, $19 from trading, and how much is from pairing bonus, which is the same as your binary bonus. As you go down, you see that my rank presently is um, member, right? So the next rank after member, you click on that. It is Jade, which is one on your left, one on your right, each with 5,000 team sales, right? So that is my first goal, is to go to Jade, which is 5,000 team sales, right? So here you'll find the this portion here, the agreement fund. On the Mondays when there is payday, to withdraw it is 8% to do a withdrawal, but with the agreement fund, you will pay, the withdrawal fee is 5%. So you can put the funds that I like, or I have $209 here. I can put the agreement fund. So the next package that is available is a $300 package. So when I reach $300, I can just use the agreement fund to purchase another agreement. Here you will see your active trading agreement. If you click on that, it will show you the percentage that has been paid out for the past since year. So here it tells me I started earning on the 23rd, and it show you all, and it show you the total amount. So it show what the percentage has been throughout the days. All right, so that gives you this. Um, when earlier we spoke about the qualification in terms of Jade, which is the first rank, it said 5,000 in sales volume on your left and 5,000 on your right. So I need another 4,800 on my right and another 3,800 on my left team sales value to hit the rank of Jade, and I'm working on accomplishing that. So your binary sales volume is your total sales volume. This is volume that you get from spillovers and the efforts of your team. The sales volume is your personal effort. So I have personally enrolled 8 persons on the left hand side, and I have personally enrolled 2 on my right. So in total, I've personally enrolled 10 persons in this platform so far. But the binary sales is your total efforts of your team and everyone. Now, you might see here that it says remaining on the right hand, it's 5,500, right? Because what happens is that one of your hand, and I will show you, is always being built by your upline if you are in a good team. And that's why choosing to be a part of the Project 1000 team is a very good decision, because you will be part of not only the Project 1000 team, but you will be part of the number one growing US team also. So you will get be spilling over in both ways that you are a part of this organization. So that run through what the dashboard look like. And as you see here, your total earnings that is available. All right. So your next one is your earnings tab. So in the earnings tab, you have the network bonus details. So here it shows you your network bonus. This is showing me the info from the 1st to the 31st of July, August. However, you can, if you want to see more info beyond that, you can go to the calendar and say, well, I want to check to see what I did in July to present. So you click on July. I started on the 18th, so I click that, and then show, and it show what it will populate that. So here you can see where I started, how much I earned from, and the pairing bonus. It said the first two that you earn will go to the company. So that's why you see these two in red. So I do not earn these two. These two goes back to the company as a form of safety net. So in total, since I've earned in my network bonus is $216 in 3 weeks. And that's pretty good because I started with a $100 agreement. All right, so the next thing you will see is withdrawal, and that will you withdrawals only open on Mondays. So on a Monday you can go through and withdraw. All right, so I haven't done a withdrawal yet. My goal is to really start withdrawing. I usually do at least a month and a half, 2 months before I actually do a withdrawal. So I'm still building because I'm using this funds to upgrade to a higher pack very soon. So in my trading bonus, I can withdraw on the Monday, $19.60. It will be growing more before that, and also I have available 190 here. The adjustment bonus, I am not sure what that is at the moment. So the next tab is your trading agreements. Now, as it said, that you can only have one account, but you can have multiple agreements. So it doesn't mean because you already have a $100 account agreement, you can have multiple $100, multiple 200, 300, 500, as much as you want, right? I think you can have many different packages as possible. The reason for having the higher packages is twofold. One, you can only withdraw 50% of the agreement that you have. So with a silver package per week, that is. So even though I started with $100 package and I have earned nearly $200 in my first 3 weeks, the maximum that I can withdraw per week is $50 because the agreement that I have is a $100 agreement. If I had a $300 agreement, the maximum that I could withdraw per week is $150. So the higher the package, the higher the amount that you can withdraw per week. So that is a good thing. So as I said, you can have multiple uh, agreements. Here you find your direct sponsor. So if you have signed up someone, You will find them here. These are the active. These are persons who have registered but yet have not yet upgraded. So you will see you can do that. All right. Next thing on my network is the binary genealogy. And this is where you're going to see the work. Remember, I spoke about the volume and what is remaining, right? And why it's important to position in yourself right now. It is crucial in making the decision to be a part of this because there's so much momentum that is happening in projects, this project 1000 team, that you need to be a part of it. All right, so this is me. I started here. I placed this person on my left hand side, but this person was placed by my upline. This person was placed by my upline. This person was placed by my upline. So I'm getting spilled over even though I did not place these persons in my organization, right? This was my first person who I placed in my right hand side because it happened so fast because I wanted to be binary qualified as I started. And just by delaying, if I had placed this person here, they would have these two persons below them and they would get all the volume, um, the points, right? But even though he was late in the first two, he still got spillovers. So he has one, two, and he still has more spillovers. And these are persons who I did not place in the organization, right? So still more spillovers. So this is what I talk about in terms of the need to take action now because we are helping to build your team. So this is my right hand. I am not putting a lot of work in my right hand. If you are placed on my right hand, you are still in good luck because my upline is working like crazy and he is putting in persons almost on a daily basis in my organization. And so I'm seeing results on my right hand. Now, most of my focus is placed on my left hand. So all these persons are still getting spill over from my efforts. So all these persons are still getting spill over from my efforts, right? So all these persons are constantly getting spillover. So they are constantly getting more and more persons in on their team because of the efforts of this team. All right. So that's the power of the binary genealogy. The team sales. This is show you how the persons who are in your team, what they are doing. All right, so these like the person here when they sign up anyone, and here your product. As you might have seen that there will be digital, not digital, there will be health and wellness products that will be soon be added to our products that we can purchase, and also the uh, point of sales machine and the cryptocurrency ATM, right? And the health gadgets. So you can purchase the card because it's one of the products, and to ship it, it is $5 to ship it. All right, this takes 60 to 90 days, and here you will have your purchase. And finally, in the back office video, you will find the link for the support. Here you can, if you have any questions, you can send an email to support. All right. So here where you have your username. You can sign out of your account or you can update your account um, right here by clicking on these things. So that's it. That's it. If you want to expand your these three, determine can expand your dashboard to for you to see a little bigger. All right. So that's what these three buttons are for here, to expand your dashboard. So with that said, I hope you have learn something about your dashboard today in this video, and I'm looking forward to you joining this team, because as you see, this team is growing like wildfire. We are making waves. Project 1000, helping 100 persons earn 1,000 US per month is our goal. So let's get started and let this happen. All right.